This is the Merrill C31-ZPS metal packing gland. It will work for the models W5000 and the E5000 Merrill faucets. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of it, but a couple things you can notice is right here at this hexed portion here, you will have those internal female threads, and then right down from it you'll have those male threads. So starting with a measurement of the total length of the packing gland, you can see it measures right at 1 inch. Then we can also get an outer diameter here at that hexed piece, and that will measure right at 1 inch as well, with the inside diameter right at about 3/4 of an inch. And we can also get an outer diameter here at that fly side, which will be right at 3/4 of an inch as well. Once again, this is the Merrill C31-ZPS packing gland.